Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Gordon Frayne, and today we're back talking about Solana. Once again, we're seeing a nice big breakout over the past few days with the price action for Sol. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below, hit that subscribe button as well, and if you want to get notified about similar videos, smash that bell notification icon, and don't forget to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's linked below in the description. Grab it now while it's free, and let's get into the video. So we have seen a nice breakout in the price of Solana over the past few days, guys, and even Solana moving higher against the price of Ethereum as well. But if we look at what's been going on over the past few days, we saw Solana manage to break through this level of resistance here. We can see that on multiple occasions over the past 6 to 8 weeks here, going all the way back to the beginning of August, we tested this level at around $162, $163 multiple times, and we did not manage to break through it. We had resistance, we bounced off it, we came back down multiple times, and again, as we moved up towards it, we even had a little bit of a pullback here and then got enough momentum here around the 20th of October to finally break through this level. And as we can see here, again, this level has now become support on the lower end that we broke through it. We had a couple of candles testing it here on October 21st and October 22nd, and we're moving higher. And the next level of resistance, guys, on the chart here is the 186 level. So you'll notice we don't have any resistance between 163 and 186, and we're continuing to move up higher. So, I'm thinking we might get up to this level here, 185, 186 within the next few days. We're currently sitting at 179. And the more macro picture here as we approach the election and the rate cuts on November 5th and 7th respectively is the fact that, I think they're going to be the next big catalysts to drive more momentum for the markets, giving the markets more certainty. So what's going to happen? I'm not exactly sure, but I think if we get up here in the next 2 to 3 days, I think we could get rejected because this is a strong level of resistance. But if we kind of have a little bit of a pullback, we go sideways for a week or two, and then if the results from the election and the rate cut are positive enough to give us momentum with Bitcoin and the rest of the market, I think that would be a very strong signal for us to break through this level around 186. It might happen before then, we don't know, but I think given the fact that we've got no resistance until we get up to 186 means that I think we're going to continue moving closer to this level over the next few days. So lots of exciting stuff going on with Solana. Again, if we jump back over to the analysis we did here just a few months ago at the beginning of the year, Solana was only making up about 2.61% of all TVL in DeFi. It was the 5th largest chain by total TVL, and we can see that it had TVL of around $2 billion back in February of this year. So jumping into DeFi Llama today, we've grown all the way to 7.82% of total capital in TVL in all of DeFi, and Solana is now the 3rd largest chain or protocol in terms of overall TVL in DeFi. It's grown to just under 7 billion. So it's gone from 2 billion in TVL to 7 billion in TVL in the space of a few months. And it's gone from making up just above 2.5% of total TVL to almost 8% in that same period. So Solana is seeing huge amounts of growth in terms of not just price action, but actually what's going on under the hood, what's going on with the network, what's happening on chain with decentralized finance, with all of the meme coin stuff happening on Solana. It's hard to argue that that is not having a big effect on it, like stuff happening on pump.fun and all of the meme coin action happening on Solana's network. And it's continued to eat into Ethereum's share. So Ethereum has gone, looking back here again in February, from above 61% of total TVL to just under 54%. We're at 53.96 here today. And again, this picture, when we bring up the Sol Ethereum chart, is very clear that we have been in, a very, very strong uptrend. Just look at how strong we're breaking up to the upside for Solana against Ethereum. So zooming out again, guys, looking all the way back to the middle of 2023, June of 2023, we kind of had this bottoming consolidation period for a few months, and then Solana has completely outperformed Ethereum over the past number of months. If we look at this on a percentage basis, Sol has outperformed Ethereum by 695% over the past 15 or so months. So, huge amounts of growth happening. There's a lot of speculation around Solana. There's a lot of hype around Solana. But when we look under the hood, there's actually a lot of stuff happening on chain. And again, we can use the Artemis terminal to look at what's happening from an on-chain perspective. If we jump over here, this will be the last thing we look at in today's video. Just wanted to capitalize on all of this price action happening with Solana at the moment. But if we jump over to the project area, we want to go to chain compare on the Artemis terminal. We can see the action happening in terms of daily active addresses and daily transactions. This is showing us the past 1 month, but let's zoom out to the past 1 year time period. And again, look at the growth of Solana's network. Solana is the chain denominated in green on this chart. It's grown from somewhere around 200 to 250,000 daily active addresses to consistently over 2 million active addresses on a daily basis. And then even more recently, consistently over, 3.5 to 5 million daily active addresses. And just in the past few weeks, we've even spiked up as high as almost 10 million daily active addresses on the Solana network. So huge amounts of growth happening on Solana in terms of daily active addresses, daily transactions, TVL getting locked up in DeFi protocols, using the Solana network to continue to expand and bring more capital into the DeFi space. And Solana being such a cost-effective blockchain to do that means that we are seeing huge amounts of growth with what's going on under the hood, and with this breakout in price, against Ethereum, but also against the US dollar. We're seeing Solana breaking out of these sideways patterns that had been in for a few weeks and moving to the upside. So lots of exciting stuff happening with Solana. I wanted to check in. I think, if you have some exposure to Ethereum in this bull cycle, I think it would also be very wise to have some experience, some Solana in your bull run bag, or having some sort of exposure to Solana in some capacity. Of course, this is not financial advice, but take a look at the charts, take a look at what's going on from the on-chain data, and take a look under the hood for yourself. As always, if you enjoyed the videos, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below. Hit that subscribe button as well. Let us know, are you holding Solana in your bull run bag? Are you hoping Solana is going to $500, $600, $700 or beyond? Let us know in the comment section below. Check out the other videos on the channel specifically about Solana. And don't forget to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's linked below. Grab it now while it's free, and we'll catch you in the next one.